Hey Uppie fans, spring is here and I'm so excited. What are some things that remind you guys of spring? Maybe like bunnies or flowers or the sunset, all sorts of things. Have you guys ever heard of spring cleaning? Well, I have. It's normally during spring when you clean up things, maybe like your kitchen or the backyard or maybe your room. What do you guys clean during spring cleaning? Today we're gonna help Uppie do some spring cleaning around the park because I don't know if Uppie always does it. Sometimes he might just be messing around. So I thought we could pick up some stuff on the ground since there's a bit of litter because I don't know whoever did it, but I think I know who. Could you hold one? Thank you. Whoa, Uppie. Do you see a bucket anywhere that we could use? Guys, anywhere? Oh look, there's a bucket. We could put them in here. Let's put them over here by us, Uppie. Oh, Uppie, be careful, don't step on them. Hey, Uppie, could you get some? They're just right here. Uppie, what did you do? I guess we can just leave your wristbands right here. Hey, here. Get this one. Can you get it? Uppie, come on. You got this. Not so hard. Uppie. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. We're almost finished. Just a couple more. And I think that's it. Good job, Uppie. High five. Thanks for helping us do our spring cleaning. Bye. Sometimes when it's springtime, some people think of ducklings. And there's a duck machine, and so let's go try it out. First, let's put in the dollar. Okay, let's see. Oh, I got a duck. And it has a little H on it. Let's get another one. It's just standing up right there. Oh, we might get it. Oh, so close. Oh, it's standing up. Okay, we go. I think we have like 2 more tries. Let's see. Yay, we got it. Okay, the first one we got was a black one and then a football duck. It looks like we can go again. Oh, we got another one. Looks like we got a duck. Okay, that was all our tries. Okay, we got a duck, that's a donut, a football duck, and a magic 8-ball duck. Oh look, you guys see? It's a claw machine for eggs. And the eggs also are something like Easter. So let's try this one. I'm gonna put my ducks on right here. You guys ready? I think I'm gonna try for that pink and red one. Oh, we might get it. Oh, we got it. Let's see what we got. We got... Oh, we got a cool little bracelet. Here. I think you're supposed to put it on. Oh. And we got a cool little bracelet. You want to go ahead and give Uppie a high five and a hug?